Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2018 Kubota SVL75-2. I have several of these up for sale or coming up for sale. This unit was a one owner, 945 original hours on it. It is a very nice running working machine. Cab, heat, air, 2-speed, power quick attach. It does have the wide tracks on it. We've done a full service. All filters and oils are changed. Engine oil, air, hydraulic, planetaries, fuel, everything is done, including cabin filters. Look, we do a little different thing here than everybody else. I do a lot of service work on equipment that we sell. I like to sell nice stuff. You know, we just had a guy in here today, actually bought 2 pieces, ended up buying 2 pieces because he didn't believe us on the phone and we went through the piece of equipment. Well, while I was here, he's seen what we do and the quality stuff we put out, so he bought another piece. But we're very thankful for all the business that we get, but we do a little different thing here. So again, we like to get through stuff so we know what we have. My equipment generally will always have an OEM bucket. This does, OEM Kubota 74-inch bucket with a smooth cutting edge and the bolt-on side cutters. Undercarriage in this unit is very nice shape. We did paint the undercarriage track frames because typical, scratched up. The rest of the orange, everything there is original. The cab's original, back door's original. We're going to show you around this machine and we're going to run it for you and show you everything works the way it's supposed to. The back door is really nice and square. There's a couple scuff marks on it, but all the paint is nice and original. Yeah, help if I open it from the right side. So, under the hood, going to be powered by a 74 horsepower engine, Kubota 4-cylinder turbo diesel. These are a very, very good motor. We have no issues on the Kubota stuff. We've owned a pile of these, and once you understand them, they're a great machine. Again, we did a complete and full service. Engine oil, fuel, air, everything there is done and taken care of. OEM Kubota filters. We didn't cross anything to any other brand. We put all Kubota product on this machine. Hood's nice and straight in the back. Original decals in the back corner, some normal scuffs. Again, tracks are both matched. They are Camzo, 400 millimeter wide, so I believe that comes out to be just right at 16 inches. I do like the wide track machine. Again, 74-inch Kubota. They use an industrial track loader bucket on these. Very nice bucket. Quick attach is in very good condition. It is all tight. Pins and everything there are very, very good and tight. Boom is tight. Supports here. There's some stone chips on the front. Auxiliary hydraulics with case drain. Again, with the Kubota, you do have the nice overhead door, okay? Grab handles are both straight. Cab is straight. It's not beat in up top. You'll see these where, man, the cabs are smacked in. Guys abuse stuff. The overhead door in the Kubota by far is a great feature. I love their door. I love their setup. Very comfortable machine. There is one small crack right here in the seat. I don't know how that happened. We're showing you that. Everything else on the seat's excellent. Foot throttle, hand throttle. We're going to fire it up here, show you there's no warning lights or codes. Release the park brake, 945 original hours. Here you're going to have your headlights, park brake. This is your arming switch to release your hydraulic or push to operate. You're going to have your joystick up here for your auxiliary hydraulics for running a grapple. Then you can also run circuit as far as constant flow. Over here you're going to have your horn. Over here you're going to have your 2-speed. That button is right back here. Gun trigger, hand throttle. Over underneath here you're going to have your heat and AC. Right there's going to be your compressor for your AC. You'll see up here we did put all new cabin filters in. That is done and replaced. Your AC duct vents up here, everything there is there and complete. Nothing is broke. You'll see these machines where everything's smashed out of them. It just shows you the care people take with stuff. All the glass is in the cab. Again, we like to get through service, do what we're supposed to do because we feel that puts out a better product. Some people really appreciate it. There's some people that still don't understand it. So if you're on a budget with a machine and you're all about buying something at a price point, but you're not looking at undercarriage tracks, service work, repairs that may need done to that machine, but you're fully focused on just a price point, then you are going to spend money on a machine when you're looking at it. So if you're fully focused on that, that's a dangerous way to be at the moment. So again, I'm going to show you here on this door. The nice thing with the Kubota is that overhead door. It's a very nice setup. You got these 2 latches here. The other nice thing is you can take, if you want to run this machine with the door up, you can pin it so that it is up and out of your road. And that's all there is to it. So at this time, we're going to fire it up, run it around, where it show it does everything it is supposed to do. There again, wiper, everything there works. We're going to go ahead and release it, and we're going to run her through its paces. So, these little machines are a little tank. What I like so much about the Kubota, they're a very, very simple machine as far as maintenance. They're built heavy everywhere, all in the right places it needs to be. What else I like about it? It's a very simple technology. If you want a skid steer that's going to Bluetooth to your cell phone and play the radio through the dash, then, I don't know, are you looking for a BMW or are you looking for a skid loader? It's my opinion. What I like so much about the Kubota, the simplistic layout of the machine as far as fuel temperature, you got your warning lights, simple code. If you have a code on these machines, it comes up in your hour meter display. Control system in these machines, the way they're laid out, these are dual pilot control. I like that versus your fly-by-wire. Okay, so basically you've got low pressure oil lines running to your control valve, basically versus electric over hydraulic actuators, and it just makes for a much, much smoother machine, and it's much more reliable. And that is the thing I will say in these Kubotas, the reliability of them. We've had really good success with them. We love them. Hey, there's a lot of haters out there, Tom Ucci guys, John Deere guys, Bobcat guys. That's what I like about the Kubota. It's a simple machine. The majority of the guys that we feel that have issues, I think it comes down to sometimes it's the dealer. You got a good dealer in any product, you can be successful, but I think these little machines are just a tank. And with any piece of equipment, service is key. So if you're a guy that just runs and beats a machine and expect it to just give you no problem, you're a guy that's going to have a problem with any machine you're using these. So that's my opinion. That's again why I like these little machines. I think they're very reliable. The other big thing I have a complaint, and all you guys that follow me know we do a lot of Bobcat stuff. I have owned and run Bobcat equipment for years. We still sell a pile of Bobcat stuff. But the thing I'm going to say about them, that Tucson engine is a good motor. Probably seen it goes, it burns a pile of fuel. These Kubotas are still way more fuel efficient than the Tucson engine is, in my opinion. Bobcat has a lot of things nowadays loaded on those machines. It shouldn't be, in my opinion here also, and that's why I always kind of gravitate here to the Kubota out of the simplistic nature of how this thing is built. You can work on and service this machine yourself, you can maintenance it, take care of it. The way things on it are built, or were built, with that in mind of the end user, and that's something that really impresses me with these machines. Kubota has their grade right with their bucket, it grades nice, and again, another big thing that I have noticed with the Kubota machine, they have an extremely tough plant We have yet to this day ever have one apart. The Bobcat had more apart than I care to think of. What do I want to say there? I feel that Kubota has a planetary that's extremely tough. I've seen them with 4,000 and 5,000 hours on them. Nobody's ever had them opened up. And again, a lot of that is keep to your maintenance. Single speed, 2-speed. I'm really working that. It takes a lot when you're doing what I'm doing right there. We're going to go ahead and unhook the bucket. One big thing on the Kubota, I love their hydraulic quick attach, just like Bobcat. Bobcat has a good hydraulic system. You know, a lot of manufacturers, in my opinion, are being cheap today. They are running electric over hydraulic, or no, I shouldn't say it's an electric over hydraulic. It's an electric actuator for their quick attach, and it's retarded. The problem with electric actuators is there's a lot of onboard electronics with them, potentiometers. The computer is hooked into it. Heck, it's nothing more than an electric motor running a screw. But the problem is the hydraulic. If you're not a guy that greases your pins, the electric thing does not work very well. The hydraulic does a nice job. Always look up, make sure your pins are latched. This is a very nice, very tight 946-hour machine now. Very happy to own this machine. Again, if you are looking for a reliable machine that will go out and push, I am very impressed with these little 75s, how well they do. They are a powerful little skid loader. If you're looking for a nice clean machine, 946 hours, well-kept machine. It is in nice shape. Here's something to take a look at. You know, when you're 74,000 for a new one today, there's something to take a look at with low hours. I have some other ones that are higher hour machines. This is the lowest hour one I have at this time for sale. Very nice tracks. Again, they're about 75%. Rollers, idlers, and sprockets are all in that 80 to 85% range. Very nice. There's no oil leaks on this machine. It is clean, serviced. All Kubota OEM filters and oils. The cab is straight. Everything works. It is 100% ready to go to work. It is a very good, clean track skid loader. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. If you need a shipping quote, let us know. For financing, we can get you to a guy. If you're looking for financing, we'll help you out there. If we can help you in any way, again, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.